Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to let you know about top 25 half-day tours in Puerto Vallarta. Before we begin, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any future updates. Number 25. Craft Brew and Bites Tour. Experience Mexico's burgeoning craft beer scene and extend your palate beyond a bucket of Coronas on the beach. You'll sample up to 15 artisan-produced microbrews on this 3-hour evening tour of Puerto Vallarta, led by a knowledgeable guide. Taste tequila-infused beer and micheladas paired with Mexican pizza while you walk around Old Town, including a sunset stroll on the Malecon. Number 24. Marietas Islands. All-inclusive full-day boat tour. Sail to the Marietas Islands on a well-equipped Chica Fun boat during this full-day, small group cruise from Cruz de Guanacaxtla. Enjoy a top-deck jumping board and 2 water slides, plus nets and gears for anyone interested in fishing. A continental breakfast, lunch buffet, and open bar are included, plus optional pickup and drop-off from Sayulita. Number 23. Taste of Patillo Food Tour. Eat your way through a part of Puerto Vallarta on this extensive and very edible 3.5-hour tour of the local Patillo neighborhood. With the guide by your side, get acquainted with the many flavors and cooking styles of Mexico. Go beyond the realm of the average tourist and indulge in dishes such as slow-cooked meat, tacos, freshly grilled shrimp, churros and much more. Number 22. Private ATV Tour Puerto Vallarta's Spring Waters. Get off the beaten track during this private, half-day ATV excursion into the Sierra Madre Mountains. Suited for advanced riders, personalized rides include traditional villages, hot springs, and stunning mountainside vistas. Spend as little or as long as you'd like in each location, with the chance to taste local food items. Number 21. Marietas Islands full-day boat tour with lunch. Are you ready for the experience of a lifetime? Come experience the Marietas aboard the most popular boat in the bay. This spacious boat has a lower and upper deck with plenty of shade or sun options along with our famous water slides. Everything is all-inclusive. Your full-day tour, start with a continental breakfast. Lunch is traditional Mexican fajitas with chicken, beef, rice, beans, tortillas, and salsa. Number 20. Private fishing charter and snorkeling in Mexico. If you are looking to fish, snorkel and enjoy lunch, this tour is right for you. Start off with 2 hours fishing in the morning followed by 2 hours snorkeling at the famous National Marine Park Los Arcos. After the tour takes you to Las Animas Beach where lunch will be offered at your own expense. If you don't feel like eating, you're always more than welcome to take a stroll along the beach, take pictures or swim. Number 19. Sayulita and San Pancho Beach Town Tour. Escape the hustle and bustle of Puerto Vallarta and discover small beach towns along the Nayarit Riviera during this excursion. Venture north to the laid-back towns of Sayulita and San Pancho and enjoy guided tours of the main landmarks. Number 18. Sierra Madre Horseback Riding and ATV Tour. Satisfy an appetite for adventure on a high-octane tour that lets you explore the forests and mountains of Sierra Madre by horseback and ATV. No previous ATV or horseback riding experience is needed to enjoy this tour, which is limited to a small group of 15 people to ensure you receive personalized attention from your guide. Number 17. South Shore Private Sightseeing Cruise in Puerto Vallarta. Cruise along Puerto Vallarta's South Shore aboard your own private yacht on this personalized excursion, ideal for couples or travelers celebrating a special occasion. Opt to snorkel at the marine park or visit a secluded beach, far away from the crowded tourist spots, and customize your itinerary according to personal preference. Number 16. Marietas Islands Snorkeling and Hidden Beach on Zodiac Motorboat. Skip the large, crowded group tours and enjoy a more intimate experience of the Marietas Islands with this small group snorkeling tour. Explore one of the most important wildlife sanctuaries on Mexico's Pacific coast, and enjoy their beauty both above and below water. Includes lunch. Number 15. Hatteras 58 feet luxury yacht in Puerto and Nuevo Vallarta. Explore beautiful Banderas Bay on a classic motor yacht. After boarding your 58-foot, 17-meter, Hatteras at Opecamar Marine Center or Paradise Village Public Pier, Explore the natural beauty of Jalisco and Nayarit. Enjoy secluded beaches, unlimited complimentary drinks from an open bar, a delicious buffet lunch, and access to snorkeling gear, a kayak, and a paddleboard. Number 14. Best tacos after dark food walking tour in Puerto Vallarta. The sheer amount of restaurants in Puerto Vallarta can be overwhelming. Let a guide choose for you on this nighttime food tour of the best the city has to offer, from fresh fish tacos to steaming hot churros. And the end of the tour, receive a colorful shopping bag, photos of the evening, and recommendations for the rest of your stay. Number 13. Puerto Vallarta Pirate Sailing Cruise. When you pull into port in Puerto Vallarta, swap your cruise ship for a pirate ship and sail around Banderas Bay. This family-friendly shore excursion provides onboard entertainment en route to a secluded beach where you can kayak, snorkel, and dig into an included lunch. Number 12. Bikes and Bites. Taco Bicycle Tour in Puerto Vallarta. Taste your way through Puerto Vallarta's distinctive cuisine on a 3-hour foodie bike tour that explores the best tacos in town. Join a local guide in a small group, then pedal through the neighborhoods of Cinco de Diciembre, downtown, an old town, stopping along the way for sightseeing and snacks. Number 11. Day trip from Puerto Vallarta, Punta Mita and Sayulita UTV adventure. Appreciating Mexico's varied landscape can be difficult on an excursion that sticks to the main roads. Gain insight into the natural environment around Puerto Vallarta with an off-road trip to Sayulita by UTV. Enjoy a thrilling ride while traversing a riverbed, mountain trails, and creeks, and admire the rural and coastal landscapes along the way. Number 10. Private boat tour to Yelapa. Enjoy the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation on this personalized day trip from Puerto Vallarta, and customize your itinerary according to personal preference. Board a 26-foot, 8-meter, panga boat and cruise along the southern coast of Banderas Bay, stopping to snorkel at a coral reef and see tropical fish. Then head to Yelapa and relax on the beach, swim, snorkel, parasail, or hike to a nearby waterfall. Number 9. Private snorkeling tour to Los Arcos. Explore the shallow reef at Los Arcos Marine Reserve on this personalized snorkeling excursion from Puerto Vallarta, a great choice for nature lovers and first-time visitors. Snorkel in and around the caves at Los Arcos with the possibility of seeing angelfish, pufferfish, parrotfish, damsels, and moray eels. Number 8. Signature taco and street food tour in Puerto Vallarta. Savor the flavors of Puerto Vallarta like a local on a small group food tour. With a maximum of 6 people per group, you enjoy a more immersive cultural experience than a typical bus tour. Follow your guide to street vendors selling regional dishes including birria, beef, carnitas, pork, fish tacos, and more. Number 7. Full-day private tour to Sayulita and San Pancho. We will visit 2 coastal towns in the state of Nayarit, north of Puerto Vallarta. Our first destination, San Pancho, a friendly and colorful town where the best breakfasts are served in a local cafe. We will have time to have breakfast, walk the main streets and visit the beach. Later, we will visit Sayulita, a magical town, known for its lively, hippie and surfer atmosphere with its streets adorned with colored banners and murals. Number 6. Downtown Puerto Vallarta Food Tour. Get a taste for the Puerto Vallarta culinary scene during this comprehensive walking food tour led by a local guide who'll share tales of the city's history along the way. Ideal for first-time visitors and travelers tight on time. You'll sample snacks and drinks from 9 different carefully selected spots that you might not otherwise have time to try individually. Number 5. 8-passenger Vallarta Private City Tour. Discover downtown Puerto Vallarta along with the city's significant surrounding sites on a small group tour. Spectacular views, historic buildings, and a tequila tastings are just a few of the things that complete this adventure. Number 4. Marietas Islands Snorkel Tour and Hidden Beach. Active outdoor enthusiasts will love this snorkeling tour to the Marietas Islands. It includes time at the Hidden Beach, a beautiful strip of sand and sea that only a select few tourists get to see each day because of limited permits. On the boat ride out you may enjoy sightings of dolphins, turtles, manta rays, and whales. While underwater you can check out a colorful array of tropical fish. Number 3. Luxury yacht and snorkel in Puerto Vallarta. Climb aboard a luxury yacht for a sightseeing cruise in Puerto Vallarta. Experience the natural beauty of the Bay of Banderas during this boat trip. Go snorkeling or paddleboarding during the excursion and keep an eye out for wildlife including dolphins, turtles, and tropical fish. Number 2. Private tour. Puerto Vallarta ATV adventure. Discover the rich natural landscapes of Puerto Vallarta without getting lost on a personalized ATV adventure into the Sierra Madre. And drive your own ATV or ride as a passenger. Travel from the coast to the mountains and back again at your own pace. And customize your itinerary according to personal preference. Number 1. Puerto Vallarta cruise and candlelight dinner show. Get out on the water of Banderas Bay to watch the sunset on this evening cruise from Puerto Vallarta. Rather than wandering the city streets to pick a restaurant or bar, have your entire evening planned. Enjoy the spectacular views, an open bar, on the way to Las Calitas. Then savor a 3-course dinner and watch a memorable cultural show featuring dance and music. Which destination you want to go first? Tell us in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to mention them in the comment section and we will surely respond to your request. If you liked this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.